Alrighty, top of the knob here. It is December 27th, 2014. It's a beautiful day for a quad ride. Look at that river. This is the time of year I love to go quadding. Look at all that. Look at down there. It's a steep, right? It's a big steep going down. Taking a video on my new Galaxy S5. There's my quadders buddies up there, Mike, Jenny, and Joe. Some people actually jump down there. I'd be like, you guys are crazy.
Mike, fucking truck's not even made to go 70 miles an hour ride.
Ay, 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 ay. These trails over here. I don't know if I run into any deer. Must be careful. Right down. Where's it at here? Oh, right down there is the ice cream place, Marine's Ice Cream. Right there. Right down there, Sunoco gas station. About 3 years ago, this was all flooded out. Look at that nice little tree right there. Just put some Christmas lights on it. One of them sun energy saving things that you charge up. Leave it sit there and light up. People be looking up from there saying, what the hell is up there? Oh, wow. Lost it. That's a nice shot. To all my Facebook followers, alright people, it's a beautiful December day, not too cold out, except for when you're on a quad. When you're on a quad it's freezing. But take care, see you all later.